Hello and welcome back to my channel, Make Life Simple with Sandy. Y'all, I've got a little recipe for you I'm going to try today. I can't take credit for it. My daughter is the one that gave it to me. It is, I think it's called $1 Million Chicken, I believe. It takes 4 chicken breasts, which, y'all, I have cut these up because they were real thick. They were the big, boneless, skinless breast, and they were real thick, so I've cut them up. You need some mozzarella cheese, mayonnaise, garlic, and some Parmesan. Now this is the shredded Parmesan. This is not the powder, okay? But you need, and I'll show you a little more about it later, but you need 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 3 cloves of garlic, which I'm using the squeeze, and then 1/2 cup of the Parmesan cheese. And I will bring y'all back in just a minute when I start mixing all this up. Okay, y'all, I have got all this in cups and fixing to mix it up. I hope I've got a big enough bowl. All right, we have got 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. We have got 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And we have got 1 cup of mayonnaise. And I maybe should have got a bigger bowl. I'm gonna make a mess here, I think. All right, 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now this, y'all, this is for 4 chicken breasts, and I've also got 3 cloves of garlic, which this is the refrigerated kind. So 1/2 teaspoon is 1 clove. So I've got 1½ teaspoons here. And then of course you salt and pepper to taste, which I think I'm gonna salt and pepper my chicken breast. So, and I have got them all cut up and in the pan. And, well, maybe I can do this without making a big old mess. I have a bowl that's about twice this big, and I thought, that's going to be too big, so, but, this is going to work, so. But, yeah, well, you just mix it up real good. And we are going to spread it on the chicken breasts, so. Now, it is kind of thick, y'all, but I think that's what you want. You kind of want it to... And, y'all, the way I done my chicken breast, like I said, I cut them up, and I kind of got them squashed in a small pan, you know, kind of all together. And that way, none of the cheese and all will kind of go between them. It'll kind of stay on top. Plus, with them smaller, they're going to cook a little bit faster. So... Okay, we're fixing to put this on the chicken and we're fixing to stick them in the oven. Okay, y'all, I put some salt, pepper, and a little seasoned salt on my chicken, and then I have just spread my mixture on here. And I'm fixing to put it in the oven and bake, and let's see how it is, because everybody that has tried this in my daughter's family loved it. So, my son-in-law actually come in the other day and was bragging about it, so I can't wait to try it. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product, and it is really good. This is definitely going to be a family favorite. I really do like it. It is delicious. So, I think what I should have done was kind of space my chicken out a little bit more and just put some on top, because there's a lot of liquid has cooked out of it, you know, like it does chicken, and it's kind of watered it down a little bit. So, I might even put it on a rack next time with the cheese on top, so... But yeah, give this a try, y'all. I'll have the recipe listed below, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.